Can't wait to see you at the 2018 Technology Showcase. What are you going to get from participating and taking the time out of your schedule to attend this event? A lot of relationships, a lot of expanding of information, hands-on demonstrations that you will get to see from a cutting-edge point of view. You'll learn from early adopters and people who have been implementing technology on a pre-prepared schedule. The current and future technologies that you can utilize to efficientize your processes, to expand the safety mechanisms that you have already implemented in your organization. But more than that, you get to develop the relationships of others in the industry. You get to collaborate with a wide range of representation, and you will develop those connections that you could never develop on a internet or even email relationships. Oftentimes, what I hear from people when they have exited the building and the event is ended, they're like, the time that I took to attend this event is about as valuable as 10 days of being on the road and doing face-to-face relationship building with a variety of people. So join us. Be part of this group of technology advancement. Be part of solutions that we are working together to build the future through technological advancements, through case study best practices, and more than that, through relationship expansion between you and other people in the capital projects construction industry.